changes.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome in September 1st, 2021 when I'm recording this, and people reminded me that I haven't done a 2021 managed payments tutorial or update, or that ever since I got our account back up and running and actually doing selling, I promised that I would show you the inside view behind the scenes of the transaction page, the payout page, the business information page, everything you need on eBay to make sure you're set up correctly. Also, remember that in 2022, starting January 1st, all third-party selling platforms, that means eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Mercari, if they allow you to process a transaction through them and the money, that they are going to be required to give you a 1099 if you do over $600 in sales. That doesn't mean that if you do less than 600 or previously less than 20,000 that you didn't have to report your income. You still have to report your income. Reporting income does not mean owing taxes. It just means letting the IRS know how much you sold, how much you had in cost of goods, how many expenses and deductions you had, all of that sort of thing. It doesn't necessarily mean you'll owe money, but the platforms are going to be required to give you that 1099 at 600 and above. Also, talk to a CPA as always. I can't give you legal financial advice, but your personal sales, personal items, those wouldn't count towards any business profits either, as long as you either have receipts or explanations of that. So there's all kinds of things that you don't have to worry about. But with that said, those of you selling on eBay, of course, you'll provide your social security number or your EIN, your company information, whichever you operate under, sole proprietor on an individual level, or as an LLC or an SC Corp, whatever you do have. So I'll show you that on the back end as well. So with that said, let's go check out the 2021 update to eBay Managed Payments, how it works, how you change things, and how you update all of your information, change your payouts, get your expenses. This is also to show you how you'll get all of your transactions, and a quick little explanation of how I do it for my accounting purposes. So I'm going to take you over to my laptop that I have here and take you behind the scenes of eBay's managed payments to see how it all works, how it operates, and how you make money and get paid directly from eBay now. All right, so this is the main eBay payment screen. So from your seller hub, you just click payments, and then it has all these options down the left-hand side. This is just the main summary page right here at the top. We'll show you the little boxes and what they all mean. So one is available funds, which is basically being transferred to you in your next transfer. It's $86.85 right now. My next payout's scheduled for September 2nd because I do this every day. I don't have the weekly one turned on. I have the daily. Shows my last payout of $61.35 was September 1st, which was today. I have a $24 hold because we do have a return. Unfortunately, somebody has already returned an item that it had measurements, pair of pants. They didn't read the measurements. It doesn't fit. I have free returns, so it's fine. They can return it. I get enough discount from my eBay fees being discounted 10% from Top Rated Plus, along with the extra search, higher ranking, Top Rated Seller Plus badge, etc., to way offset the one or maybe two times a month that costs me a label of $8 or $5 or whatever. That $5 to $10 in return label costs don't mean nothing to me. I'm just going to relist and sell them again, and so I'll make up that $5 or $10 with discounted fees and extra search and sales. You guys got to really think about it. In a bigger picture, people are like, I don't want to do returns. I'm not doing free returns. Make them pay. Well, look, I'm going to get one of these or two of these and spend $10 on labels. In the meantime, I'm going to get $20 in discounts plus extra search and extra sales. Think about it, guys. The math works out. Anyways, under that is processing, $90.33. What I've sold that is still processing for the next payout. Obviously, when I buy labels, it's going to take that money out of that amount. You can have that do that. To the right, hopefully my bank is blacked out, but it's payment method. You choose your bank and payout schedule daily. You can click change and choose that, or change that to weekly. Click that right there where it says change, and you will change it to weekly if you prefer. Otherwise, you can do daily. There's no reason not to do daily. Get your money, get it flowing, get that cash flow flowing. Don't think of it as a paycheck that you want to take once a week. That's silly. Don't ever let anyone hold your money longer than they have to. If they give you an option to send it daily, send it daily. There's no reason to let them keep it weekly. Okay, second page, all transactions. You can click that right under here. This is literally exactly what it sounds like. It will show you every eBay fee, every shipping label that you've purchased, etc. So for example, I just sold a Logitech Harmony remote control for 25 bucks, and it's a $3.12 eBay fee. That is the fee plus the 30-cent transaction, etc. through managed payments. You can also come down here when you buy a label for something. It's going to show you 357, 412, 358, etc. Another thing is the JVC remote I sold here for $13 was $167 of a fee. I also did promoted listings on that, so it's an extra 26 cents. So I paid $195 or $193 for this total. If you were going to input that into a QuickBooks or GoDaddy or My Reseller Genie or your own spreadsheet, you would put that all as one fee for that item. You could spread it out as two, but honestly, I just put it all in as one fee paid to eBay as a due subscription. So that's the all transaction page. And of course, you can come down here and change it to view 50, and you can see pages 1 to 10, etc. Okay, next is your payout screen. This is just going to show you all of your bank account payouts, and you can go into your bank and make sure that it matches. Hopefully my payment method is blacked out there. But anyways, it shows you the date. Clearly between the 27th and 31st is a weekend, so you'll always see those gaps on the weekends. Another one here, the 20th through the 23rd. Occasionally there's times like the 16th to the 18th, 18th through the 20th. Either there was no money or there's kind of a delay. It happens. Just, bear with it. You shouldn't need your money every single day. If you operate that way, you got bigger problems. 61, 283, 78, 109, 17, 202. So you guys can see we have some really low days and we have some really big days. I don't know why, it just kind of happens that way, but we're working up towards that average $150, $200 day. So we're at, $45, $5, $5,500. All right, this is your business info page where you can have your username, Treasure Chest Florida. My business actual name is Worldwide Sales LLC. It's my umbrella company. I own Rockstarflipper is a DBA, Worldwide Sales, Treasure Chest Florida. I own a bunch of business names that I operate as legally so that I can operate as them. If I wanted to open an ice cream shop, I might buy the name Casey's Ice Creams Incorporated or Casey's Ice Cream Cones or whatever it is. But Worldwide Sales LLC owns all of those names. So that's my actual business name. And with that said, I can operate under any of these names. So, your email, phone number, I block those out. You can change those. Account type, business. What's the advantage of having a personal versus business? There really isn't any, but if you're going to register in here as a LLC or as a, S Corp, C Corp, or even as a sole prop, entrepreneur, you definitely just want to have the business account if at all possible. It doesn't cost any extra, and it's something good to have. So that's your business information page. You can also change your passwords and sign-in security, your address, shipping addresses, return addresses, feedback, all that sort of stuff you can change on this page. Okay, your seller hub. This is where under payments, you can do reports and you can actually find your reports. You can run reports, so transaction reports, payout reports. You can do available processing. You can do all kinds of transactions. You could do a shipping label report. You could, uncheck all the rest. You can do refunds, transfers. So you can do all these different reports and hit create report and it will process it for you. And then you can download it as a CSV file. So that's pretty cool too. And then finally, we have our main eBay Seller Hub. This is where you obviously see all of your important information. Our sales, again, my app shows that like my 7-day total is 850, my 31-day total is 28, and my 90-day total is like 5,200. I don't know why they're lower on the desktop versus the app. It's kind of weird. Anyways, you can see those $230 days, 158, 80, 116, 108 today. 251 back on August 10th, 123, 165. So a lot of $100 and $80 days. We're really working up to that 150 average. So we hit 4,500 to 5,000 in a month. That is the goal for September. Again, we reopened this account in June. I have another eBay account I sell higher dollar and personal items on. I have Shopify, our direct sales, our Amazon, soon to be Posh Cross listed again. But yeah, so this eBay store is going to be our $4,000 to $5,000 a month. Now, according to the app, I'm pretty close to 3,000. This one says 25. I'm closer to 3,000 on the app. So easily should get to $4,000 to $4,500 by the end of the month. I really want to get to a $5,000 a month for September. And then I have October, November, and December, fourth quarter, which should be the best 3 months to, take that $5,000 a month, get it to $665, maybe get it up to $775 by October or by November, and then maybe into that $9,000 to $10,000 range December. And when we start the new year, we'll have a $10,000 a month eBay store, 50% profit on this store alone. So that's kind of the goal for this store. We only have 880 items active, so it doesn't take 1,000 items in the store or less, and you can do $5,000 and $6,000 months. So just keep that in mind, guys. All right, so if you have questions, comments, concerns, updates, anything you need to know, anything you don't understand, leave it below. When you're leaving that comment, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, turn it blue, smash it for us. It helps the algorithm, helps more people see this video, learn from it, be educated, and of course helps us with the YouTube search. So we appreciate that a lot. And anything else you need is down in the links below. My training program on sale. You guys can grab it along with our wholesale store that is full of remotes that you see similar to on our eBay store and other stores that sell and buy from us. So do check all those links out below. List Perfectly is down there. All the cross-listing tools you need, my Reseller Genie and accounting tools. Everything you need is below here, along with that thumbs up like button. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I will see you again tomorrow.